Yo, what's good guys? Today's video is brought to you by, well, Motoman. I wanted to talk about how I've been having some audio problems. That's why I'm on a big camera and I'm not on the bike. Weird little crackle going on in the background. So what I thought I would do is I would throw in loads of little clips for you guys of me riding the bike, trying to find out what the problem with my audio was. Turned out I was gonna just test the audio, and it went from audio testing to driving like a complete nutter on the road to Pi. Bit of an audio test right here. Audio's been sketchy recently. For fuck's sake, come on. Some problem with the mic. Thinking it might be the mic. I changed the mic, the adapter. See those blades right there? See that? See those blades right there? I think it's okay, so. It's a good bike, man! Woo! That's so nice looking. He's got the little devil, look.